So if the Drake-Asimov version of the numbers that you put in are correct, and the assumptions aren't bad until we have more data that suggests otherwise, that there were hundreds of millions of worlds out there with archaeological relics, hypothetically, left over. But that's the whole world. If you actually look at how many archaeological sites are there here on Earth? Thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands? That means there are billions, literally billions, of archaeological sites waiting for discovery in our own galaxy. And I would argue, and I did in the paper, that the odds of encountering some of them directly, because there are so many, are way more likely than this very incidental, improbable, meeting your buddy in the subway argument, which would be required at any rate for us to incidentally come across extraterrestrial intelligence traveling across the galaxy. So, to wrap that up, the justification then for developing xenoarchaeology as a discipline, I would say is more relevant than SETI and astrobiology. And both of those are established fields. And I think when you actually look at realistic numbers plugged in, even if you bend the numbers, and there are many more intelligent civilizations out there right now, that doesn't mean there are any less archaeological sites out there. I mean, in any case, that may mean there are more. So I would argue the definitive first contact moment, the one that ends up in the history books, would really much more likely be that of an artifact, something definitively proven to be created by extraterrestrial intelligence, than something like a close encounter that was visible for all to see. So I would say, based on what we know now, first contact would look more like the left than the right picture. And that's all I've got for now.